Okay guys, today I have this Fujica MPF 105X. This is just an old camera with analog. Today in this video I want to tell you how to use it. Okay, let's get started. The first step is how to load your film. Okay, yeah, this is my roll film. I use Fuji Color Superia with 400 ISO. And then the next step is just pull the knob there, and then the back will be open. Put the canister like this, and then push the knob so the canister will be stuck there. And then just do it like this. Pull the leader to the other side. Okay, now use the levers to advance the roll film. When you're sure it's working, yeah, you can just close the back and then try to use that lever again to advance the film. Every time you use the lever, the knob in the left side should roll, okay? If not roll, just do it like that. And then it will roll again normally. And now the next step is you must know your camera, the settings of your camera, okay? Let's get the next step. The first one is this. This is for the focus, and then this one is for the aperture. Okay, this button is for set your shutter speed, and this camera have the bulb mode. And then the next one is ISO. You can set this depends to your film roll ISO. Here I use the 400. This camera have a built-in light meter, but it's just an old camera, old light meter, so it's not really accurate. Because of that, usually I use this called light meter light. Just low. You can see the preview here. Adjust your aperture. For example, like I use 2.4 and then ISO 400. Okay. Yeah, you can see this. There is a histogram and then this light meter. Okay, the next step is how to capture your photos here. For the object, I choose one of my diecast. This is the camera. Okay, I will take a look in my light meter here. I use 2.8, and then for ISO the shutter is 1, 30. Okay, now set the shutter speed. Here I set to 50. You can check the focus here. Yeah, I think that's focus. The rectangle in the top, that's called viewfinder. You can take a look to check your focus. That's focus. And then just click this shutter. Yeah, that's how to capture your image in this analog camera. And this is the result you can see. Okay, so after you take the photos with your analog camera, you have to develop it, and after you develop, it will look like this. Okay guys, that's all of my video how to use your analog camera, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.